This is Lieutenant Roger Brisbane. Just to show that I can manage this in the flight simulator, I have landed at the Aristarchus crater, which you can see here ahead of us. And just to show potential for pinpoint accuracy, I decided to land our second vessel directly next to Silver Eye 1, which we're coming up on shortly. And here you see it. There are the two ships, Silver Eye 1 and Silver Eye 2. And I have landed within 50 feet of Silver Eye 1. So this is a flight simulation for Captain Tochristor, indicating that precision landing can be done. I will admit it was quite treacherous, and I almost crashed several times and wound up flying around aimlessly in space a couple of times. However, as you can see, the result was in fact a precision landing, and so it can be done. Good luck, Captain. You'll need it.